Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to set a countdown timer on your Bumper website from your Bumper web app. Now, what's a countdown timer? So sometimes on some websites, you would see something that looks like this, that is a countdown saying the product will launch, or this collection will launch, or this sale or this discount will launch in XXX hours. Basically, this is a feature that helps you create excitement, curiosity about something that you want to launch on your website. Now, you can set this on your Bumper website from your Bumper web app, and once your customers see this, they know that something is coming and they're excited and anticipate what's coming. Now, to set a countdown timer like the one we had or we just saw on the website, it's very simple. Just navigate to the discounts and coupons dashboard and then come here to countdown. Before I continue to show you how to create one, you can see here all the countdowns that you have created, how long they lasted, and the ones that are active or not available anymore. And you can always delete any countdown. If you click here, so here says select the countdown you want to show on your website from store customization. So once you click here, it takes you to store customization and you click on the theme that is currently active. Once you click on the theme that's currently active, scroll down to countdown / coming soon. Then click on the edit button. Here you have a drop down menu of all of the countdowns that you have so far, and you can just select the one that you want and save changes, and once you save here, it is immediately applied to your website. And that's it. So now let's actually create a countdown timer from scratch. So to do that, just come here again, navigate to countdown, and then click on create new countdown. Now you can choose to have a countdown for a product launch, for a collection launch, that's a category, or a countdown to sale. It's the same format mostly for all of it, but the only difference is that this would be for a collection, while this would be for a sale. So next thing to do once you've selected what the countdown is for is to enter the main heading that would appear on the countdown above the countdown timer. So for example, since this is a sale, we can do Midyear Sales. Then right here, you now choose the position on the website where you want it to be. So you can choose the top part of the website after the hero section, which is what we just saw, or you can choose the bottom part before the footer section. So let's use this one now as an example. The next thing is to write the subtitle, the subtext that would be on your countdown. So for example, you can say, "Are you ready? It's almost time for Midyear Sales." Something exciting just to make your customers stoked or psyched about what's coming. Then the next thing is to select the discount type. So you can select fixed discount or you can select percentage discount. So let's say we're doing 50% off, and of course we set the maximum amount that the discount will not exceed. Then the next thing is to select the products or the collection that will be in this sale. So we can come here once you click on that and select the products that you want in that sale. Once you're done, you click on save. So some of these are already in an active discount, but you can add it here and remove it from the discount because this is also a discount on its own. So once you add it here, it automatically is removed from the previous discounts that you have created. Alternatively, you can also exclude the products. So if you click on this, it excludes the products that are already discounted. So you only have the ones that are not discounted here. Then next is to select the collection if you choose to, but in this case, let's just skip. Finally, you then select the start date and the end date for the countdown. So this is the day the countdown will start showing on your website. This is the day the countdown will stop showing on your website. And because this is a discount sale, this is the day the discount will stop on the website. So let's say, for example, we want this countdown to start now and we want it to end at the same time tomorrow. Then we want the sale to end at the same time 2 days later. Now, once you've selected all of this, you click on save. Now you can choose here now to immediately apply it by clicking on continue, or you can choose cancel and then go apply it later by going to the store customization page. But let's click here, click continue now so that it is applied immediately. And now the countdown has been successfully activated on the website. So now we're on the website, so let's see what it looks like. So because we put it at the footer, we go all the way down and you can basically see what the countdown looks like. So anybody who comes to your website now will see that there's a media sale starting in 23 hours and your products will appear here when the sale starts. And that's it for countdowns. Like I said earlier, it's great for creating curiosity, creating excitement about an upcoming discount or sale, or a new product launch or a new collection launch. So endeavor to use this feature for when you want to run your next sale. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.